Dear students, today we are starting with the small intestine motility. First, we should the functional anatomy of the small intestine. Small intestine is a 3/4 length of total GIT, and it is around 600 centimeters long. And chymes take 3 to 5 hours to transverse the small intestine. 3 से 5 घंटे लगते हैं काइम को स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से गुजरने में. And parts are, there are three main parts: duodenum, which is of 5% of the total length; jejunum, 40% of the total length; and ileum is of more than 55% of the small intestine. So these are three parts: 5% duodenum, jejunum 40%, and ileum is a 55%. The muscularis externa consists outer longitudinal layer and inner circular muscle layer is well developed in the small intestine, mainly for the function of propulsive movements and segmentive movements. Peristaltic movements or mixing और segmenting movements के लिए well developed है. So the lymphatic nodules are less in jejunum, but they are more in the ileum. And they provide immunity, and they are an immune organ. These are the villi which are help in absorption of the food, and these are the crypts, opening of the crypts: muscularis mucosa, submucosa, serous layer, longitudinal circular, and longitudinal muscle layer. So the wall of small intestine is almost same. Lymphatics are more in at the ileum level. So there are villi are more in the small intestine: lamina propria, villi, lamina propria, and the inner circular layer and outer longitudinal muscle layers are well developed in externa for the main purpose of the propulsive and mixing, or we can say segmental movement. How the electrophysiology of small intestine smooth muscles are there. The frequency of the duodenum is around highest होता है 15 per minute होता है, and it decrease towards the ileum, and ileum में 8 to 10 per minute है. Slow waves are not always accompanied by burst of the action potential spikes, but when this slow wave is associated with the small action potential spike, the contraction is stronger. Action potential is absent, then contraction is weaker or absent. The characteristic feature of this slow wave of the intestine is that they are localized to a short segment. They are localized so that the segmentation movements can be seen. The contraction is also localized. This results in segmentation type of the movements is purely intrinsic. The frequency of action potential spikes, which determine the strength of muscle contraction, depend on excitability of the smooth muscle. As we already know, the parasympathetic stimulation enhances the small intestine movement or all the GIT movements, while the sympathetic stimulation inhibit the contractility motility. There are mainly three functions of the intestinal movements. Intestinal movements के तीन main function है. One is mixing of the chyme, other one is contact with the surface of the microvilli to increase the absorption. Mixing, absorption, and propulsion of the chyme towards the colon. These are three main functions. These functions can be achieved by different types of the movements. One is segmentation movements, peristaltic movements, migratic, myoelectric complex, MMC जिसको बोलते हैं, contraction of the muscularis mucosa, villus contractions, and there are some movements due to the intestinal reflexes. By all these movements, with the help of all these movements, the mixing of the chyme, absorption of the food, and propulsion can be seen, can be done. So these movements we have seen. Segmentation. Then we will see one by one. Segmentation is a closely spaced contraction of the circular muscle layer. Rate of segmentation contraction is same as a frequency of slow wave. It's around 18 per minute in duodenum, 15 in jejunum, and 12 in ileum. It makes the main function of segmentation is mix the chyme with the pancreatic and intestinal secretions. Turning movements can be seen in this. Two nearly propulsive segments of the force, the chyme towards each other into the receiving segment, which efficiently help in mixing. They also bring the fresh chyme into the contact with the mucosal surface. So these movements also called the mixing movements. Mixing movements. They help in digestion and absorption of nutrients. As you can see here in A part, there is a segmentation of the small intestine, whereas this is mainly the contract part, segmentation contraction. Here the contraction is seen, and here it is a receiving part. And in a B you can, in a large condition, you can see there is a receiving segment and propulsive segment. In a receiving segment, there is a arrow showing the direction of the food towards the receiving segment, while the propulsive segment showing the tonic contraction of the small intestine. So with the help of the propulsive segment and receiving segments, the tonic contractions occur in a segmentation. Second one is a peristalsis. Peristalsis is the progressive contraction of the circular smooth muscle. This is mainly in a orthograde direction. Orthograde direction means avoral. Avoral spread. Avoral spread means mouth to anus. The food is traveling towards the anus. So this is a peristaltic movement. Peristaltic wave spread in both directions. Normally they can spread in both directions, but towards the oral cavity dies out after a short distance. थोड़ी देर के बाद they can die out, but towards the colon continue progressively, and this is called law of intestine. So what is the law of intestine? Law of intestine is important. Sometime in Viva they can ask what is law of intestine. Law of intestine showing the peristaltic waves traveling towards the colon, towards the anus, is called law of intestine. Peristaltic wave involves a small length of intestine. Chyme enters the intestine, and the bolus of chyme stretches its wall. This starts the contraction in the part, and part of intestine behind the contraction, and the part of the intestine in front of relaxes ring of contraction proceeded in forward direction. Here we can see there is a one propulsive segment, and there is a one propulsive segment and which having a peristaltic ring, and other one is a receiving segment. This is a receiving segment. So one time in a there is a here is a one peristaltic wave. Here is a propulsive segment which having a tonic contraction making a peristaltic ring, and push the chyme forward, and other one is a circular muscles will get relaxed and receive a chyme, and so the ring will go further. Here now there is a here peristatic ring, and this is a receiving segment. By this movement, the chyme will go forward. Sometimes the frequency of peristatic increases to an extent that intestinal contents are emptied very fast with the speed of 20 centimeter per second into the colon. This is called thrust peristalsis. Thrust peristalsis due to some irritation to the GIT, और GIT में जब बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन होता है, पेट खराब हो गया जिसको बोलते हैं, on that particular time there is an increase in the peristaltic waves to 20 per second, which decrease the transient time of the small intestine, which decrease the water absorption and produce a diarrhea. So that condition we call thrust peristalsis. There are also antiperistaltic contractions of the small intestine. Antiperistaltic contractions results in vomiting, that we have discussed in vomiting. The main function of the peristaltic waves is to propel the chyme in forward direction. What is the significance of the peristaltic movements? Administration of the codeine type substance, morphine के जो addictive substance होते हैं, they decrease the frequency of defecation while decreasing the movement of the small intestine. Decreased motility also prolong the transient time for the intestine content, so that the more water and nutrients can be reabsorbed. If time is prolonged, then more water and nutrients are absorbed, then the fecal material will be more solid. That will produce a pain during the defecation, and that will make the condition as a constipation. Laxative increase the intestinal motility. Laxatives are the drugs which causing increased movements and shorten the transient time and soften the stool material or fecal material. And this decrease the delivery of chyme and water into the colon, that causes diarrhea. Increase the delivery of chyme. So if the transient time is decreased, then the absorption is also decreased, will produce the soft and watery stools. Other motilities are migrating myoelectric motor complex, that we have already seen. Every 90 minutes there is a burst of intense contractions causing the contractions which clean up the stomach and small intestine. It starts from the stomach, goes up to this ileum, and repeated every 75 to 90 minutes. The vigorous and strong propulsive contractions. बीच में होता है ये, during after meal नहीं होता है. This is in between. MMC clean the entire lumen of the stomach, and then it clean the entire lumen of stomach and intestine to keep the house ready for the next meal. That's why MMC is known as a housekeeper of the small intestine. MMLC also inhibit the migration of colonic bacteria from the colon into the intestine. Other movements are contraction of muscularis mucosa. Small intestine contracts irregularly. These contractions alter the pattern of mucosal folds. Contractions occur at 3 per minute. Such contractions help in mixing the luminal content and also bring the new fresh chyme in contact with mucosal surface. And bilious contractions. The villi of the small intestine also contract irregularly. This is called bilious contraction. This is typically seen in upper part of the small intestine. These contractions are especially meant for emptying the central lacteal of the villi, and they also increase the intestinal lymph flow. There are some intestinal reflexes. Intestinoperineal intestinal reflex. When a part of intestine is overdistended, the rest of intestine will relax. एक part यदि distend ज़्यादा हो गया है, अगला part को relax हो जाएगा. This is the reflex, and this is mediated by the local entroneural neurons entering nervous system or vagal pathways, autonomic nervous system. Other reflex is a gastroileal reflex. When food enters into the stomach is stretched, the motility of the terminal part of ileum is enhanced. That condition will and relax the ileocollic sphincters. This increase the entry of chyme of the ileum, entry of the chyme of the ileum to the colon through iliosphincters, ileocecal sphincters. This reflex is proposed to be mediated by vagus nerve. ये रिफ्लेक्स भी वेगस नर्व के थ्रू हो रही है. इलियोकोस्ट्रोइलियम में स्टमक में यदि खाना आया तो इलियम की भी टर्मिनल पार्ट ऑफ इलियम की मोटिलिटी बढ़ जाएगी और खाना इलियोसिकल स्फिंक्टर के थ्रू कोलन में चले जाएगा. दैट इज इलियोगैस्ट्रोइलिक रिफ्लेक्स. व्हाट इज लॉ ऑफ इंटेस्टाइन? वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. व्हेन अ bolus of chyme enters the intestine, the part of intestine behind the bolus contracts and the portion of intestine ahead of its relaxes. This helps in propagation of ring contraction and avral direction. खाना avral direction में जा रहा है. The chyme is propulsive in a mouth to anus direction. That is law of intestine. We need to propel the intestine content of the forward avral direction as occurs in peristalsis. And what is the function of iliosphincters? Dear students, today at present we are finishing with at this level, at this point of time. Next we continue very soon. Thank you.